In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up your site's navigation menus in Hubspot. A navigation menu is what helps visitors move through your website. When it is organized and labeled clearly, people can find important pages faster, and your site feels more professional. In Hubspot, menus are managed from the main settings area, and you can build a menu from scratch or edit an existing one. To begin, go to your Hubspot account and click the settings icon. This opens the settings panel, where HubSpot keeps the tools for managing website content and structure. Next, look to the left sidebar. Navigate to Content, and then find the Menus section. This is the area where you can select an existing navigation menu, or create a new one for a specific part of your site, like a main header menu or a footer menu. Once you are in Menus, click the Select a Menu drop-down to choose the menu you want to edit. If you do not have one yet, click Create Menu instead. Creating a menu is helpful when you are building a new website layout, or when you want separate menus for different templates. Now you are ready to add links. Click plus Add Item. This creates a new menu entry. Type the menu item label, which is the text your visitors will see in the navigation. Keep labels short and clear, and try to match the wording to the page title so it stays consistent. After labeling the item, select where it should go by choosing a page or entering a URL. Use a page selection when the destination is part of your HubSpot website, since it helps keep links accurate. Use a URL when you need to link to an external page or a specific address. As your menu grows, organize it by dragging and dropping items. You can reorder links to match the priority of your content, and you can also nest items under a parent link to create drop-down menus. Keep nesting simple so the menu stays easy to scan. When everything looks correct, click Publish in the top right to make your changes live. If you are not ready to push updates yet, save it instead so you can return later and publish when you are ready. That covers everything you need to know.